Learn four language in one video, only in 1 minute. In Arabic, my ismuka, its answer is Ismi Ahmad. Ma means what ismuka, name, what's your name? Its answer is Ismi Ahmad. Ismi means name, Ahmad, Ahmad. My name is Ahmad. Ismi Ahmad, my name is Ahmad. In English, what's your name? Its answer is my name is Ahmad. In Pashto, Ista naum Sade. Ista naum Sade. Its answer is Zama naum Ahmad de. Ista means your noun, name. Sa means what. Da means is. What is your name? Ista naum Sade. What's your name? Zama naum Ahmad de. Zama means my noun, name. Ahmad means Ahmad. Da means is. My name is Ahmad. Zama naum Ahmad de. My name is Ahmad. In Urdu, आपका नाम क्या है? Its answer is मेरा नाम अहमद है. आप means your, नाम means name, क्या means what, है means is. आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? Its answer is मेरा नाम अहमद है. मेरा means my, नाम means name, Ahmad means Ahmad, है is मेरा नाम अहमद है. My name is Ahmad.